Want to check your Gemini activity history on your iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view your Gemini Apps Activity step by step. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap your profile or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, select Gemini Apps Activity. Now you'll be taken to the Activity page where you can see your recent Gemini history, including prompts, searches, and interactions saved in the app. You can scroll down to view older activity and manage your Gemini history directly from this section. If you don't see some options on your screen, it may depend on your app version or iPhone iOS version, but the steps are mostly similar. And that's how to view Gemini Apps Activity on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Gemini and iPhone tutorial videos.